Hey there, this is Eric with a quick short on a tip that may save you money. I recently ran into a little hiccup when my wife tried to turn on the heater. Guess what? We got nothing. If your furnace isn't kicking up and you don't hear any blowers or signs that it's powering up, before you call an HVAC tech, check the batteries in your thermostat. We had the same issue, and when my wife swapped the batteries, bingo, the heat was back on just like that. I hope this tip helps you out and helps save some money. If you find it useful, please like, share, consider subscribing. It costs nothing to subscribe and it would mean the world to me so I can keep bringing you helpful content like this. Thank you for listening and stay warm.